between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart, we're falling apart, we're falling apart.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. If you guys are not new here, welcome back. If you guys are new here, hi, nice to meet you. I hope you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel. And I'm just going to follow what everybody is doing, the trend, and the trend is following, or I tried following, Blank's makeup tutorial. In this case, I'm following Lizeth Ramirez makeup tutorial. I found a really cute one. It's her orange glitter cut crease, a holiday glam makeup tutorial, and it's really cute. So I wanted to test out how her makeup skills and her makeup looks on me. So props to her for all the makeup tricks that she kind of showed in this makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys learn a little bit from it as well. And if you're watching this, Lizeth, I love you so much, and I hope to see you again very soon. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into this video, shall we? First things first, she has green contacts, and I wish I had some, but she already has her eyebrows done and she has one eye already done. But I'm not gonna do the one eye off camera just because I feel like there's no point of doing this video if I'm gonna do one off on camera, and then I'm gonna come back on camera and I'm gonna know what exactly to do because the mistakes I did on this one. So I'm not gonna do that, but I am gonna do my eyebrows off camera just because she did not show them. As you can see right there, she has her eyebrows done already. So I'll be back. Okay, so I just finished doing my eyebrows off camera. I'm low-key kind of nervous to do this, but okay, she's using Benefit Air Patrol. I don't know what that is. It looks like kind of like a concealer kind of consistency. Okay, it looks like concealer. I don't know. I don't even have that product, so I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape concealer and prime my eyelids because I don't know, it looked like a concealer that she was using. So yeah, let's get it started. She's blending it out with her finger, so that's what I'm gonna do. I have my eyelid all primed. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 350 palette. I got that. Morphe 35 palette. Okay. Oldie but goodie. I haven't used this palette in literally so long, but it's one of my favorite palettes and it's so good. Same. This shade right here as my transition shade. She gets okay, like this brush. Okay, this is the Dazzling Crease Brush by It Cosmetics. Sorry if I sound like a boy, I'm sick. This on the outer corner of my eye, I'm gonna wing it out and then I'm gonna blend it in. Please adding it right here. Love the way this look turned out, and me too. You can wear this eyelid to anywhere, holiday events, or whatever you guys want, but like here, this one, I'm gonna be doing the exact same thing, just building that color up. Okay, she's just building the color up, and she's using the same brush, so that's what I'm gonna do. Now you can go. Right here, this orange, really pretty shade. She's using the same brush. Okay. I'm literally watching. Okay, she's changing her brushes. Wait, hold on, wait a minute. This is very like out, so I'm kind of like making it out too. Okay. Oh, grrr.
This one is from BH Cosmetics.
Okay, let me find a brush. Okay, I think this is about the same brush that she's using. She's putting it where?
Apply that a little bit more. Like this color's this brush is gonna help me just pack it on a little bit more.
Okay, she's packing it.
Then I'm gonna be taking this like red orange shade.
Okay. Next,
Right here.
the red.
I'm taking that on a little tiny brush, like a little pencil brush, and I'm gonna add.
She applied.
Don't blend it out too much. Still make it look blended. Don't blend it out all the way over here. If that makes any sense. But I'm gonna blend this color into the crease as well, and keep this where a little bit low from the other colors.
Hopefully I'm doing it right. She is applying it. Oh, damn. I need to blend it out because this ain't working, so I'm using the other brush. Sorry, I'm cheating.
One more time on the transition shade. I really love the way that this looks right.
Me too.
And then I'm gonna go ahead and take some current shade tape, and I'm just gonna have like these.
Uh-oh.
This look is literally so easy, guys. Like,
It is.
taking it 5
Because of you, girl! Okay.
Lately, when I cut my crease, I've been loving the tip.
Okay, she's giving us a little tip. Hold up, let me finish my cut crease.
A little brush like this. And I use this to kind of blend out my concealer, and it really helps to blend out the concealer at the edge, like where you shadow, and like where you put the crease, like the
I always have a hard time doing that.
And I took this shadow right here, and I just put down that concealer.
Girl, you are
And
a
it has that really
genius.
fun hour because my family doesn't. Shut up!
I feel
I'm
you.
irritated, but it is what it is.
Me too, girl.
I just feel like you guys don't enjoy. Go back over here and try to connect it a little bit.
Oh, hell no.
Just like
Okay, if I do this, this is gonna ruin the whole makeup look if I don't do this. Oh my god, I'm fucking scared. How the hell did she even do that? Oh my god. Let me just be. I don't have any glitter that is like that, but I do have this ColourPop. Holy shit, I should have chosen the freaking glitter before this dries up. I have these little shimmers and they feel like glitter on your eyelids, so I think the most closest one is going to be this bottom one right here. So I'm going to use that.
moving on to my face. I already primed like my face, and I use my Benefit Oil Moisture.
Hold up, I thought you were not done yet.
So bomb, you guys. And then I also went in with my Pore Professional, which I've been using forever. And I decided to try out a new foundation today. It's the
Okay, wait, hold on. So she ended up pulling out like a lotion or whatever it is. I have this one by It's Cosmetics. This is the Confidence in the Cream. And I'm just gonna use that on my face because I've been loving this lately. It's like really moisturizing, although my skin is like super dry, so I don't know, like I can't really use this because it doesn't really like last on my skin, But if you guys have like normal skin, you should definitely try this out. But she is using the L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible Foundation. I don't have that one, but I do have the purple one. And I barely have any on this, so hold on. Let's see how much she uses.
I tried it before. I really loved it.
Yeah, I really like this one too, the purple one.
So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face.
Okay, she's applying it with her finger. If I could pull this out, I swear. Oh, se echó un pedo. Okay, she put it everywhere, so. Okay, she's using a Urban Decay concealer, but I don't have an Urban Decay concealer. The only concealers I have, I'm sorry I'm looking at a mirror, but the only concealers I have is the, where are they? I have the Tarte Shade Tape concealer, and I also have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer, but they're kind of pretty similar, so I'm just gonna use this Tarte Shade Tape. And she is applying it on her nose. Oh my god. I don't know why I just never like doing any like concealer foundation on this area right here. I don't know why, but she's doing it, so I'm doing it too, girl. Okay, she's applying. Why does she look so good when she has fucking... Oh, I fucked up my eyeliner. But why does she look so good when she has like heavy under eye makeup? And I literally look like a fucking cat. Especially with these freaking moños aquí. What the hell is this? Oh my god. It's been there all this time and you guys didn't tell me anything? Okay, I see how you guys are. She has like a cream contour thing. The only cream contour stick, I don't have a stick. I don't have a cream contour stick, but I do have this Sleek Makeup contour cream contour thing that I have. So I'm gonna use this. She is applying it on her forehead.
I'm gonna take my Benefit What's Up highlight. With my Laura Mercier
Can't even tell this one.
I've been loving the look of Liz powder lately. I've told you guys this before. I'm gonna take a little brush like this, and I'm gonna pick up some of that powder, and I'm gonna set under my eyes and set everywhere where I would like to set, and I'm just gonna press the powder in.
I like doing that too. Hold on. I don't have the Laura Mercier. Whatever. I don't have that setting powder. I only have the Airspun's Loose Translucent Powder. So as she said, she's getting it on a brush. She's just applying it everywhere where she... Oh my gosh, she is going ham with this. I don't need that much powder. Okay, but I have a little bit here, so... She is...
Oh, my face is super like dewy and stuff.
I love dewy.
While I bronze my face, because then like sometimes the bronzer can look patchy and stuff if you do it that way.
That's true.
The best is off. And then I'm going to take my Seattle London South Beach bronzer. I really want to try my Buxom bronzer, but I'm scared because it looks shimmery. So I don't know how I feel about that. But I'm going to take this Seattle London bronzer. I'm just going to bronze up my face with this.
I'm just gonna use this Hoola Benefit powder. It's a sample, and I'm just gonna use this one because my favorite Wet n Wild one is broken right now. So, and I'm doing this makeup on my bed, and I don't want it to get all muddy like if I did caca on the bed. So she is bronzing.
I'm gonna bake in the areas that I feel like I need a bake, so I'm gonna bake a little bit under my contour just to clean it up so it doesn't look messy.
Girl, you applying so much powder. Oh my face is going to hate me after I'm done with this powder.
I'm gonna bake on the sides of my nose. Now while that bakes, I wanna finish off the eyeshadow. I'm literally just gonna keep it. Oh no!
What did you drop?
Like my whole lower syrup.
Dumbass. Okay, now I love you.
I dropped almost all of that powder.
Don't take it personal.
Let's just move on, so I don't have to think about that. I'm gonna take this color right here, a transition shade, and I'm just gonna sweep that all across our lower lash line. And I'm gonna take that orange shade right there.
I do not have that Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. I've always been wanting that highlighter, but I mean, I've had money to buy it, but I don't know why I've never bought in it. But I'm gonna use the new highlight from Anastasia. Do you see this glow? I don't like blush.
And we added some lashes off camera. These are Dono lashes in this style. D301. Dono lashes are amazing.
Oh my god. So I know my lashes are not as dramatic as her, but I already stuck them on. I don't want to take them off again. So we're gonna go.
Malibu and by the way, you guys,
but she's lining her lips. That is so true. She's using the Malibu lip kit by Kylie. I don't have that, so let me go find a similar shade to that. I'll be back.
And for lipstick, I'm going with my Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade Exposed, and I'm just gonna apply that.
All different skin tones, so it's like kind of hard to. I think this one. I'm gonna use Clo Money by Kylie Cosmetics on my lips. Hopefully that's the same color. It's not the same color, but
Is the finished look, you guys. I'm in love with the way it's out.
me too, girl.
I love it.
But yeah, this is how her makeup look ended up turning out on me. Hopefully it doesn't look as bad. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. Hope you guys did enjoy the way that I recreated her makeup look. I tried my best using the products that I have at home, and hopefully you guys tried her makeup tutorial too, because this makeup look is so wearable for anything, like literally anywhere you can wear this. But I really like the way that she did her makeup look. I don't know, dude. Like, I think I'm gonna start doing it her way. I don't know, we'll see about it. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give this a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later, alligators.